Imagine opening one app and getting everything you ever wanted from crypto. Trading, staking, earning, borrowing. All moving at the speed your day actually demands. If you want crypto that feels alive, this is where it starts. Everything shared in this video is for educational purposes only. CZR Exchange has one of the most fastest dashboards that everything instantly loads. You can have spot account where you can invest immediately to cryptocurrencies, increase your profits with leverage and margin, and even start spot grid trading. They have an instant swap, so viewers feel the speed and you can convert one crypto to another. And their task center allows you to complete simple tasks and earn bonuses by finishing missions. The platform is leveling up fast and pulling in global traders. Welcome to CZR Exchange. CZR is a global crypto exchange built for people who want trading without friction. It is one ecosystem where you can trade, stake, lend, borrow, earn, or copy top performers. Everything tuned for fast execution, low fees, and serious security. Introducing the features that create real value. Mortgage lending lets users borrow or earn using their crypto as collateral. Copy trading helps beginners mirror top traders automatically, and their high-grade KYC and compliance keeps accounts secure. They even offer a 24/7 support so users never get stuck, and you can access it by clicking the pop-up on the bottom right side and start communicating immediately with them. And the vision is way bigger. The CZR wallet is a multi-chain secure and it's built for real everyday use. They are bringing really soon the CZR card for instant crypto spending, and their native token CZR powers rewards, ecosystem access, fees, and future perks. Their affiliate program lets users earn by referring others, and the entire interface stays beginner-friendly but still powerful for pros. You can click the link down in the description, create your account, and start completing your tasks and get rewards. Our users don't just want to trade, they want to live in crypto. With the CZR wallet and the CZR card, that vision becomes reality. That's an exclusive insight from the founder, Charlie Rothkopf. If you've been waiting for a crypto exchange that actually feels modern, this is your signal. Explore it, test the features, grab the rewards in the task center, and see how much smoother trading feels when everything is built to move as fast as you do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.